Guys, what's going on? It's Bushgrow here again, and today we're gonna have a look at my car. So as you can see, it's a lot warmer outside now, and outside this window you can see my Saab 93. We'll just have to see if, yes, here's my key. My dad had to move the car this morning, and as you can see, look at this cool keychain. Every Saab owner should have one of these, right? Okay, here you have my Saab. As you can see, it's a plastic dipped grille, black, and of course the new Saab emblems. Before it had the Saab Scania ones. And inside here you have HID xenon projectors. It really looks a lot cooler than the stock halogen headlights. So these rims are not too cool, but it's just the winter wheels. And of course added the 5 horsepower by painting the brake calipers. Nothing too fancy around the car here, just a sticker here and plastic dipped the 93 badge back here, a black Saab logo here, and another plastic dipped black badge. So there's nothing too fancy on the inside of the car. I got this aero steering wheel with these nice pads here, but it's a little bit worn and slippery. And then we just have a working SID display. A lot of Saabs have problems with that one, and nothing special here. But if you want a Saab, it got a really nice heater, so in the winter time you can keep really warm. So the manual steering, the manual stick shift here with the carbon thing on the top, carbon trim on the top. I also got this carbon trim on the car here. So I also changed the stock seats, which were just regular fabric, to these leather ones. Looks a lot better, and you can also see it's in the rear of the car. I don't know if that is in focus, but we will fix that now. Yeah. So I just tried to paint this one a little bit darker because it had this gray fabric, so I thought maybe to spray paint it a little bit more black so it would match better with seats. So it did, but I haven't finished all the torque cards yet. So I got the 7 speaker setup in this car. It's stock, it's 4 speakers, and you can add 2 extra speakers. It's like the high-end speaker package or something. So I added the door speakers, they were not in stock. And then I changed the stock ones here to Alpines, and in the back there are 6.9 inch or something, and I changed those from the stock to Pioneers and added a small subwoofer, so you at least get a little bit better sound now. Yeah, And I also have the aux output here, so I don't have to listen to the radio.
Coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have the authority to kill a minority. Fuck that shit cause I ain't the one for a punk motherfucker.
So that's how it looks when I'm driving around. So if you want a more detailed video of this car, just throw in a comment. I said throw in a comment just. And we also have a new car behind this garage door here. So the same principle, throw in a comment if you want to see what's in there now.
White cop, Ice Cube will swarm on any motherfucker in the blue uniform.